Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have your Samsung Galaxy S10 here, and you want to know how to be able to take photos and videos and then save it directly to your SD card opposed to the internal storage on your S10. It's very, very simple. So first thing I want you to do is, obviously make sure your SD card is installed. And then the next thing you have to do is make sure that it actually registers, okay? Because sometimes you do have like issues where it doesn't read. So to confirm, go ahead and slide down from the top middle. Click on your settings icon right there, or you can do a search for storage. Anyways, from here, go down and look for device care. Tap on device care, and then you see storage down here. Tap on storage, and now you can see my internal memory is here, and the SD card or external memory is here. It says SD card. If you don't have SD card on here, then there's something wrong with your SD card. Anyways, mine is registered right here. So now if I go into my camera here, so double press the power button for a shortcut to the camera. Top left-hand side, you see that settings or gear icon. Tap on that. And then from here, go ahead and scroll down, and you want to look for storage location, okay? So by default, it's on internal. I already changed mine to SD card, but I'll put it back to internal here. So by default, it's internal. Tap it, and then go ahead and click on SD card. Now the thing is, if your SD card is not registering, you're not going to have this option here saying storage location either, okay? So anyways, I hope that helped you guys out. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.